While riding, proper functioning of the headlamp is critical for both safety and convenience. In case it is not working, it's a simple procedure to replace the bulb. Here is how to do it. The tools that you will require for this activity are fuse plucker, 4mm Allen key, screwdriver. All of these are available in your motorcycle toolkit. Additionally, you'll need a genuine Royal Enfield headlamp bulb. It is available at an authorized Royal Enfield service center near you. Let's start by checking the fuse for the lamp. Switch off the motorcycle and take out the key from the ignition lock. With the key, open the right-hand side panel lock and gently pull it out from the lug. Place it safely on a clean surface to avoid any damage. Open the fuse box lid and pull out the fuse for the lighting system with the fuse plucker. Inspect it closely. Look for the wire. If it is broken, the fuse is blown. Replace it with the respective spare fuse, which is also available in the fuse box. Now close the fuse box. Locate the right-hand panel lugs. Place the panel and press it firmly to lock it. It is recommended to visit a Royal Enfield service center near you to restore the consumed spare fuse. Now let's check the headlamp. Remove the screws from both sides of the headlamp casing with the screwdriver. Take out the headlamp assembly from its housing. Disconnect the bulb and parking light coupler. Place the headlamp assembly on a soft cloth. Remove the headlamp rubber boot from the reflector dome. Push the headlamp locator clip and slide the bulb out from the slot. To fit the new headlamp bulb, locate the 3 slots provided and fix the bulb. Fix the anchoring clip of the bulb. Lock the clip from the other end carefully by pushing it into the slot. Fix the rubber boot in a manner that top mark is visible. Connect the bulb and parking light coupler. Align the headlamp casing and tighten the screws. Your motorcycle is all set for new adventures. Keep riding!